Software behemoth Microsoft wants to leverage the Ethereum blockchain to fight digital piracy by taking use of the network's transparency and decentralization. How will this be possible? Microsoft wants to use Ethereum blockchain. In today's video, we are going to talk about Microsoft's want to use the Ethereum blockchain. So if you are investing in Ethereum or are planning to do it, then make sure you watch this video until the end, because it will be very interesting. Hello crypto lovers! Welcome back to our number crunching ritual on your favorite channel, Crypto Stats, the channel that brings you daily news about crypto. If you don't want to miss things, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. You can join our $25 giveaway by following the next steps. Step 1. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Step 2. Leave a comment about your favorite coin name. Step 3. Watch the video until the end. Before we get to the core, let's see what the current price of Ethereum is. The price of Ethereum was this week around $3,042. While Bitcoin is the most valuable cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Ethereum is no slouch. It's the second most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of more than $232 billion, and it's backed by business mogul Mark Cuban. Moreover, it has shown to be a beneficial investment. Let us now return to the video's main theme. Is there a way to make anti-piracy tactics more open and transparent with blockchain technology? This is the truth. Microsoft researchers have invented a new method of combating internet piracy based on the Ethereum blockchain named Argus. Online piracy not only harms copyright holders like Microsoft and other computer behemoths, but it also puts consumers who download pirated software in danger. Indeed, a report published last year by Muso warned that an increase in traffic to piracy websites could result in a deluge of malware-infected PCs. If users become victims of identity theft, they may have to pay substantially more for the software, films, or other online content that they pirated. Microsoft has been fighting online piracy for quite some time now. While the BSA is recognized for offering bounties to individuals who report piracy, Microsoft hopes that Argus will provide a more transparent means to combat piracy and reward those who participate in it. Argus. Microsoft outlined its plans to employ a blockchain-based system to make piracy reporting more open and transparent in a recent study, to which experts from Alibaba and Carnegie Mellon also contributed. In the study, the company's researchers explain how a lack of transparency undermines the success of existing anti-piracy incentive initiatives. To effectively motivate people, we feel that a campaign's full transparency is required. In exchange for a bounty, Argus will allow users to anonymously report piracy. Using a distinctive watermark that corresponds with a secret code, the system will trace stolen content back to its source. When pirated content is reported, the source, license status, is changed from accused to guilty if the appeal is refused. Microsoft's new technology has the potential to significantly alter the landscape of online piracy. However, we'll have to wait and see whether or not the company decides to go forward with bringing Argus to market. How is Microsoft embracing blockchain with its new Ethereum-based framework? The Ethereum blockchain has just received a substantial vote of confidence from Microsoft, one of the world's largest organizations. The confidential consortium, CoCo Framework, an Ethereum-based protocol that will allow major organizations, like businesses, to operate on the Ethereum blockchain, was recently released by the tech giant. A blockchain is a revolutionary, decentralized method of digitally organizing and storing data that can be safely accessed across a network. The purpose of this framework is to make it easier for enterprises to use blockchain technology. While traditional blockchains are built for openness, putting the same structure in place for commercial use causes severe issues with secrecy and scalability. CoCo aims to address these difficulties by combining blockchain technology with well-established security protocols and architectures in a form-function marriage. Ethereum's acceptance and development have been accelerating recently, and this announcement will only add to that momentum. The Enterprise Ethereum Alliance, a partnership of over 150 firms, recently joined forces to support the advancement of a decentralized blockchain technology. Has Microsoft released game-changing Ethereum proof of authority on Azure? The crypto world has mostly ignored this possible bombshell report. Ethereum proof of authority is now available on Azure, according to Microsoft. The lack of excitement surrounding the announcement, however, should not be misinterpreted as a reflection of the launch's many practical ramifications. Cody Bourne, a software engineer at Azure Global, expressed optimism about the deployment in a blog post on the Microsoft Azure blog. Our support for Ethereum on Azure has gained a lot of traction. Thousands of times across a range of industrial verticals, the existing proof-of-work solution has been used. We've received a lot of positive feedback from our users during the development of our platform. Ethereum on Azure allows users to deploy and configure an Ethereum blockchain network in minutes. This has the chance of increasing the possibility of Ethereum consumer and enterprise adoption. Let's have a look at what the implications are. What are the implications? On an enterprise level, blockchain offers a number of practical applications, which is why a collaboration between Microsoft Azure and Consensus Ethereum makes sense. JP Morgan's Quorum technology is an example of how financial services companies are more interested in integrating blockchain technology. When Microsoft's commercial partners adopt Ethereum, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities, including electronic voting, employee remuneration, cloud storage, smart contract-enabled agreements, supply chain control, and more. With Microsoft's credibility and resources, blockchain technology will be adopted more quickly at the enterprise level as well as compel compliance. Will Microsoft help enterprises mint their own Ethereum tokens? Microsoft is putting its Stealth platform for producing Bitcoin-like tokens to the test. The software behemoth, one of the first to accept Bitcoin as payment, has established a mint to issue a variety of crypto assets. Several corporations have already utilized the mint to construct experimental assets, including a video game studio and a virtual reality platform, while others, such as General Electric, are waiting in the rafters to create their own. Anyone can apply to be a part of the technical preview as of right now. The crypto assets mint, known as Azure Blockchain Tokens, allows businesses, or anyone else for that matter, to design, issue, and manage a wide range of assets that, like Bitcoin, may be provably fair. The majority of the businesses that use the technology rely on a permission version of the Ethereum blockchain that employs Microsoft's Azure cloud computing to establish an agreement on transactions. Developers will be able to use Azure blockchain tokens on public Ethereum blockchains in the future, as well as distributed ledgers produced by Microsoft's competitors. Because the benefits of using a shared distributed ledger of transactions are proportional to the size of the network, Microsoft designed Azure blockchain tokens to adhere to a new taxonomy framework for describing tokens developed by Digital Asset, IBM, JP Morgan, R3, and others, which means that while the distributed ledgers that power the future interconnected network of tokens will be different, the genetic makeup of the tokens will be similar enough to be exchanged. Microsoft's work, which uses the same standard as the other participating blockchain developers, could pave the way for a veritable explosion of similar enterprise-grade tokens that work together as easily as if they were a single company's accounting. Well, that's it for today's video. Do you invest in crypto? Let us know in the comments section below and in which coin you invest. Be wise with investing and do not rush into any coin. Make sure you do your research. Meanwhile, I hope you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and drop a like if you liked it. We like to see you soon on Crypto Stats. Before we end the video, we like to mention the financial disclaimer. Please keep in mind that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.